everyone, I'm an amazing star. Welcome back to Ila's channel. Today, I'm gonna be getting a Nintendo Switch. Yeah. Even though it's not even my birthday, especially my birthday, I'm gonna get a Nintendo Switch. Yeah. Only for credit. For 12 months. Yeah, 12 months. We're gonna credit, and after that 12 months, we're gonna pay it. And when we pay it, we can get it permanently. So, here's the process. Yeah, you can see the box. And here's my booter.
Or 20 pwede na rin. Mas advanced, mas maganda, ma'am. Para po ma-offeran kayo
Yeah, I
agad
get it.
ng Skyro ng mataas na.
We're an amazing star. Good. So, I got a little cut. So, an amazing star, you have to go to Green Hills. And Life 360, if you use motorcycle, it's only for 20 hours. So, go to Green Hills, go to go upstairs, and we see the mall, go inside, and you have to walk forward until you find Samsung. Then, go over this aisle right here. And you just walk here, then you can see amazing stuff. It's like Nintendo Switch, a Nintendo Switch store, but bigger and more mura. And here's the box.
Kailangan ko pa bang itawag muna pag magtata?
Hindi na, ma'am.
Google Pay.
As you can see, iPhone 15, iPhone 13.
Para po bigyan na kayo ng exact amount. Para po ma-recompute. No. Bali, ma'am, tuturuan naman kita sa pag-payment, ma'am. May kailangan po na tayo.
I'm pointing at the camera.
Pero